Hi, my name is Russ Whelan. Title is Geomatics Manager here at Onsite 3D. Been here at Onsite 3D for just a little over 6 months. Started working in November of 2020. First of all, I graduated from a 3-year geomatics diploma program back east, College of North Atlantic in St. John's, Newfoundland. Came out here in 1998 in Western Canada to Alberta, specifically to Fort McMurray. Worked in Fort McMurray in the oil sands region for approximately 14 years. And then came to Calgary in 2012. So overall, I've got 25 years experience, predominantly in the oil and gas industry. So as a geomatics manager, I oversee our daily operations basically in the field and in the office, making sure that our scopes of work are executed in a timely manner, as well as, of course, in contact with our clients on a daily basis and preparing proposals, so on and so forth. Over the last 6 months, I've learned a lot of interesting things when it comes to using technology to be able to provide our clients a better product in the field and at a more cost-effective and efficient way. We here definitely understand the pain points that our clients experiences. At the same time, we're able to provide a solution to them by utilizing all of our divisions.